Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Volkswagen Jetta. Stock number is 18G467B. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof. Swinging around to the back end now. And we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. You have plenty of room in the hatch, as well as a 60-40 split on the back seats. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Jetta on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.